Hi, this is Miss Cosma again. I want to explain to you what we're doing with our reading and our ELA today. You will need to find a comfy spot and a picture book. And I want you to choose one that you like. And this is one that I adore, and it's called Frog on a Log. And I chose it because we're doing something special today. We're reading and we're looking and thinking about words that rhyme. So my book, Frog on a Log, can you guess which words rhyme? I gave you a moment. You're looking for the end sound. Fr, og, og. What do both words have? Og at the end. I found some words. Ooh, can I put them in? We have frog, log, dog. And they all end in the same sound, which is og. Can you think of any other words? For example, if I say to you the word rat, can you think of any words that rhyme with rat? I did. I thought of the word bat, cat, fat, and they all end in at, at, at. Can you think of any more words? Think very carefully, and when you're reading your book, may not be this one, but whatever book you're reading, think of words that rhyme. And on this page, you have the word, for example, a picture of a book. And book rhymes with, what can you see on the picture underneath the word book? Hook, look, cook. Can you think of any more? Okay, I want you to have fun today looking for words that rhyme. And if you find one, can you think of any more? Have fun. Enjoy.